Action cameras capture high-quality adventures, withstand harsh conditions, and record unforgettable moments with exceptional stability. Today's video is about top 5 best action camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DJI Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a premium action camera built for creators, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand exceptional image quality. Its large 1/1.3-inch sensor with 2.4 micrometers pixels captures sharp, detailed footage even in challenging low-light conditions, while automatic white balance ensures accurate colors above and below water. Recording in 4K at 120 frames per second with a 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view creates immersive, cinematic videos, and 10-bit color with D-Log-M provides excellent flexibility for professional editing. The powerful 1770 mAh battery delivers up to 150 minutes of recording and performs reliably in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for extreme environments. Waterproof up to 18 meters, it's ready for diving, surfing, and other water sports without additional housing. The magnetic quick-release mount enables fast angle changes, while advanced stabilization keeps every shot smooth and level. With features like pre-rec and highlight, the Osmo Action 4 is an outstanding choice for capturing unforgettable adventures with professional quality results. Now our second product is DJI Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is a cutting-edge action camera designed to deliver stunning image quality and professional performance in any environment. Featuring a large 1/1.1-inch square sensor and an adjustable f/2.0 f/4.0 aperture, it records breathtaking 8K video with exceptional detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. Advanced 360 degrees horizon steady and rock-steady 3.0 stabilization ensure smooth, level footage, making it ideal for action sports, travel, and vlogging. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 4 hours of recording and performs reliably in cold weather, so you can capture adventures without interruption. Gesture and voice controls allow hands-free operation, while direct support for 2 DJI microphone transmitters delivers clear, professional-quality audio for interviews and content creation. Waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, the Osmo Action 6 is perfect for diving, surfing, and outdoor exploration. Combining premium video quality, intelligent features, rugged durability, and reliable performance, it's an outstanding camera for creators and adventurers alike. Our third product is GoPro Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a feature-packed action camera that delivers outstanding image quality for adventurers, vloggers, and content creators. It records stunning 5.3K HDR video and captures sharp 27MP photos, preserving vibrant colors and incredible detail even in scenes with challenging lighting. With significantly higher resolution than 4K and 1080p, every frame looks crisp and cinematic, while the GoPro Quick app lets you extract high-quality still images directly from your videos. The award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization produces remarkably smooth footage, even during fast-paced activities like biking, skiing, or running. Built for the outdoors, the Hero 12 Black is rugged, waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, and equipped with a water-repelling lens cover that minimizes flare for clearer shots. The included Enduro battery offers reliable performance in various conditions, making it ready for long adventures. Combining exceptional video quality, durability, and advanced stabilization, the Hero 12 Black is an excellent choice for capturing unforgettable moments with professional results. Now number 4, Insta360 Action Camera. The Insta360 X4 Air is an impressive 360 degrees action camera that combines portability, cutting-edge video quality, and creative flexibility. Weighing just 165 g, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere without slowing you down. Its dual-lens system captures breathtaking 8K 360 degrees video, allowing you to record every angle and choose the perfect perspective later using the intuitive Insta360 app. The signature invisible selfie stick effect creates stunning third-person and drone-like shots for cinematic content. Built for adventure, the camera features durable, replaceable lenses, making repairs quick and cost-effective if accidents happen. Flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock deliver ultra-smooth, level footage even during intense action, while 8K active HDR enhances colors and preserves detail in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're traveling, vlogging, cycling, or capturing family memories, the Insta360 X4 Air offers exceptional image quality, creative freedom, and reliable performance, making it one of the most versatile action cameras available today. And our last choice is GoPro Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Bundle is an outstanding all-in-one package for creators, travelers, and adventure enthusiasts. It records stunning 5.3K 60 video and captures sharp 27MP photos, delivering exceptional detail, vibrant colors, and cinematic clarity. With HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, every recording remains smooth and steady, while 8x slow motion lets you relive fast-paced action in incredible detail. Built to withstand tough environments, the Hero 13 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without additional housing, making it perfect for water sports, hiking, biking, and outdoor adventures. This bundle includes everything needed to start filming immediately, including the handler floating hand grip, 2 Enduro rechargeable batteries, a 64GB SanDisk microSD card, head strap mount, carrying case, USB-C cable, and a USB 3.0 OTG card reader for quick file transfers. Combining premium image quality, rugged durability, advanced stabilization, and a comprehensive accessory kit, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Bundle offers exceptional value for capturing unforgettable experiences. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.